Hello, YouTubers out there and skincare fans and microcurrent fans. Christine Byer here, licensed master esthetician for about 18 years. And I'm here in my treatment room doing a little unboxing. I just got my Plamere. This is a fibroblast machine. What do they call it? Aesthetic multi-plasma solution. Acne lifting, permeating, and fractional. So this is going to help me with my plasma or my fibroblast treatments, which if you go back, you can see I've had 2 treatments done to myself, and I have been taking models here, actually charging now. So the model period is over, unfortunately, but I just got this machine. I've heard all these good things about it. So I got this from AO Medical. Lydia there was able to procure it because it is Korean made. And this is what you get. I'm so excited about this. It does come, where are my needles? It's supposed to come with some needles for fibroblast, but I'm not seeing those, so I'm gonna have to contact them. So it comes with a radio frequency, which I really kind of doubt I'm going to be using any of these for lifting. I'm not sure how painful they would be, but I have a pretty nice radio frequency machine. But I want this because, wow, is it light? It's light. You can work on your clients really easy, and it's also rechargeable. I guess it gets about 3 hours of battery life per charge. So I'm excited. I do wonder where my little needles are. Maybe they're, it comes like this. I don't know where my needles are. In a little packet, kind of like the mini, how the mini comes. Oh, okay, I think this holds, this little guy will hold in the, I don't know if you can see that. I think that little guy will hold in, I don't know what that does. I hate when I unbox things and I don't know what the heck is going on. So this is the cord. And this is, I don't know, regeneration cream. I'll be using Neurogenesis. It may work really well. Who knows? But for me, yes, here they are. And I had ordered, I guess they didn't get my memo, that I needed some, they have these that are bent as well, so that when you work on somebody, you can just go tap, 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 and it gets them. So I'm gonna have to order some of those, but I just got it in the mail today. I'm super excited. It's really ergonomic. It's very light and Korean made. And from what I have experienced so far with all my Korean products and machines, I just love them. They're clever, they're well made, they are not overly expensive, and they usually blow out of the water anything American that I buy, which is really sad. Although I haven't used a microcurrent machine. I don't think that Koreans are really into microcurrent that much. But I will be doing a live treatment with this on myself. I'm gonna charge it up, give it a whirl, and see how it feels. And I'm gonna be doing my neck, so stay tuned. Bye now.